Hey guys, I'm Melly here with Focus, and I'm here at the Skylum booth at ShutterFest. I ran into Kat. This was a group of ladies that we went out to eat, and they invited us to sit at their tables. We had a great time. We talked about karate, KickBoxer. So we're going to do a real quick shoot. Here's our lighting setup. We want to thank B&H Photo big time. They supplied all the lighting for us. They supplied the Mevo that we're recording this on. And they supply a lot of little extra things that we need, like a softbox and a bunch of other things. So B&H, our little buddy Ace, thank you so much for all of this. So again, we're at the Skylum shooting booth. So tomorrow what we're going to end up doing is we'll have people coming through this booth on every 30 minutes, right? Actually every hour. But we'll be photographing for 15 minutes, editing for another 15, so it'll be 30 minutes. You'll get the same shots that we're doing today. All right? Now, before I begin, because we joked with our CFO, Dave Mosier, that she was just a model. She's actually a kickboxer. So watch this. Here's a bunny here. Jab, 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 reverse, jab, reverse, jab, reverse, left hook. Boom. Good. Back up just a touch. Now, jab, reverse, left hook, uppercut. Boom. Good. Good. One more. Oh, she is awesome. She is awesome. So I'm going to take her spot. I'm going to swap with our photographer here today, which is Jason. Come on over, Jason.
Okay.
Jason's filling in as a photographer / producer.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm
Let's see how well you're
I'm
doing.
working it.
I don't even see you.
You moved.
There. Oh, now, you see how that? How cool was that? See what that does?
We were focusing
now,
on
let go.
the model.
Watch what it does. Watch what it does. It's going to slowly pan to her.
Yeah.
Ready for this? We tap on here, and Abba came along. I'm going to tap on Jace. There we are. And here's a wide shot. Bip. How cool is that? All right, so let's get out there. I'll be the art director. Abba's here. Thank you. Now, the audio on this, I apologize. We don't have the wireless mic set up yet. Once we do, we won't have to do it like this. So I'm going to get her in direction on what to do. You'll watch Jace photographing. One thing is we are going to photograph at a little bit lower of an angle to get the toughness for her. And then we're going to process this with Luminar using the Sport Grit look. All right? Here we go. Sorry. Good, and action. That's it. Good. Bring your head down just a touch. Good, good, good. Now, drop your gloves just a little bit. Put both hands just down a little. Good.
Up a little.
Now, turn your shoulder just a bit. There you go, right there. Now, head look right towards me. Good. Good. Turn your head just a little bit. Nice. Close your eyes for a second. Inhale. Slowly exhale and open. Beautiful. Good, good, good. How's the catch lights in her eyes?
Good.
Good. Now, bring the gloves up. Good, that's it. Now, open up just, I know you normally wouldn't, but bring the chest a little bit, right there, right there, right there. Good, now turn into a TIE fighter. Turn your hands, now drop them down just a little bit. Elbows in. Good, right there, right there. Tilt the head a little. Nice, nice. How's that, Chase? Good. A couple more shots and we're good. Now, just put the glove in front. Sweet. Good. Now, take off the gloves real quick.
Beautiful.
Yep. Just put the glove under your arm. Yeah.
Perfect.
Good. Right there, right there, right there. Nice. How are we looking?
Good.
And you're shooting 3/4.
Yep.
Good. Tight fist with the other hand. And just drop. Keep your left hand open. Oh, that's a little cool. And just drop your hand. Bend your elbow. And move it out just a little bit. There, a little less. Now, don't touch your body with it. So move it right there, right there, right there. Now, we have separation. Good. Inhale. And when you exhale, go. Exhale. Good. Attitude now. Good. You're in that ring. Last round. You need this knockout to win. Go. Attitude, stare right toward him, right toward him. Close the eyes. Slowly open. Attitude, go. Right there, right there. Perfect. That was it. Dude, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's going to be bad. I didn't say the bad word. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, you're back to producing. This was so cool. Well, Kat, at such a short notice, we were at dinner, I texted her and said, hey, how would you like to come in? We were working on the lighting for tomorrow's shoot. Could you come out? And of course, she was more than thankful for doing it. So we have
Yeah, 5'6", 80, and also 800.
So if you want to come in, and you want to see how we did the lighting setup and how we did the shooting, and most importantly, how we're going to process it real quick using Luminar. Stop in. If you can't find it online for the schedule, just stop by booth 899091. You'll see Lori and Levi there. Tell them, hey, I'm a friend of Benelli's. I really want in on that shoot. They'll set you up is it a half hour or every hour? Every hour we're shooting.
Yeah, every
15-minute cycles.
This is Abba, one of the other shooters, and one of the educators at Skylum. Well, his expertise is actually with Luminar and Aurora.
Yes.
So the man's incredible.
And I know how to press a button. But I sometimes don't put that in front.
So tomorrow is what?
Pretty much on the hour, people will come in groups of 6, and every 15 minutes they'll cycle through to prepare to shoot. They'll have 15 minutes, we'll be shooting, and then we'll have 15 minutes where they get to process the image with Luminar, using some presets and learning Luminar, and then an opportunity to go back to the booth and play with it some more.
How cool is that?
So about a half hour of your time.
So that's even, again, you can go see Lori, go onto the website and check it out and sign up. And again, if you don't have a full time, you can swing in, just stop and say hi. Hey guys, let me see what you're doing. I'm telling you, once we start, how easy is it? Did you get to see the pictures yet?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay, show me.
Okay.
I'll get out of the way.
Okay, producer.
Now I'm the producer here. You can stay. Look at her eyes. Watch her face when she looks at them.
Oh wow.
How cool was that in such a short time?
Yeah, she's
Looking tough.
Yeah.
All right, now you're going to send these to your husband, right?
Yeah. Do the dishes.
Yeah, do the dishes. Awesome.
Cool.
All right, guys. Well, hey, thanks again.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, hey, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you here at ShutterFest.